What are you eating? What is that? Hurry up! What's not so arte, ah? You love papaya. What is papaya in English?
Poop fruit.
Stop it! What is papaya in English?
It's papaya.
There's okay. Because it came from the Philippines, maybe? I don't know. I don't know. Tastes good?
Yeah.
Tastes good, right? Especially when it's
Must
cold.
rock.
When it's cold, right?
And it helps you poop.
Good for your tummy.
Good for your tummy. And it tastes good. Almost done. Video yourself eating one, it looks really weird.
Oh. I have owie in my mouth.
Because you bite your own mouth.
It's I accidentally bite my mouth.
Accidentally. Don't bite your mouth.
I didn't mean it.
Mm-hmm.